Zosi sent me their indoor security camera, so in this video I want to do a quick unboxing and test this out to see how well this works. So the first thing I see on top is going to be this quick start guide, and we're also going to have a contact card underneath. And inside this box we're going to have some mounting screws, a mounting plate, a USB-C power cable, the power adapter, and this mounting template. And all the way at the bottom we're going to have the camera itself. Now this camera can be installed on the ceiling with the mount, but in this case I'm just going to leave it on this table.
Devices waiting to connect.
Alright, so now it's time to set up the Zosi camera, and I went ahead and downloaded the app on my phone. So when I click register, first thing that shows up is going to be to select the country, United States, next, okay, and then let me just go ahead and put my email and create an account for this. Alright, I went ahead and signed up, and let me just allow this, and now press the plus button up top, allow, and here it says to scan the QR code on the device, and the QR code is going to be at the bottom of here. And there. Now it said plug in your Zosi camera into a power outlet. You will hear a device waiting to connect around 30 seconds after plugging the camera. Alright, so that already happened in the beginning, so I can just press here and then click next. And then allow while using app. And now let me just connect to my Wi-Fi network.
Wireless configuration succeed. Wireless connecting. Please wait. Wireless connection succeed.
Alright, perfect. And now I can just go ahead and name this device. So I'll just click living room and then confirm. So I had to switch locations because the signal wasn't the best upstairs, but now since I'm in the basement where the router is located, this has a lot stronger of a signal and it works a lot better now too. So basically here's what the app looks like. When I go ahead and click right over here, we can see the camera loads up, and as far as delay goes, there's going to be probably like half a second of delay, and yeah, it's a lot better down here compared to upstairs. Now we're gonna have a few settings down over here. This is gonna be to basically hear what's going on, so I can do the voice intercom or the video intercom, and here's the voice. Hello. And of course it's gonna get pretty loud, in other words. And let me just lower the volume on my phone, and let me do the video instead. So here you can see my face shows up there. So the video intercom is really handy. And we're also going to have these two other options, and this is going to be to take a picture. So here, let me just smile. And there, so now it said save to media, and I'll show you where it shows up real quickly. And then same thing over here. I can go ahead and press the record button. Yeah, let me just lower the volume here. And now this is what the audio, this is what the video sounds like, and I'll go ahead and play it back for you as well too. Go ahead and press the record button. Yeah, let me just lower the volume here. And now this is what the audio, this is what the video sounds like, and I'll go ahead and play it back for you as well too. And then I could stop it right here. And finally, the last thing is going to be to actually move the camera around. So right now it's going to be in this setting over here. So this is going to be facing forward, and you know it's forward because we could see the logo here and the little button at the bottom. And so if I go ahead and move it to the right side, I just press it once. Oh, okay, I guess to the left side it moved. It just moves in little increments as you see here. And as you could tell on the camera, it's also moving. And if I do it steady, or if I hold it, it goes ahead and holds it pretty steady as well too. And here you could see a closer look at it. And this is going to be a full 360 degrees. And then you do have to go ahead and bring it back. And then it can also face up top. And now this is as high as it gets. And this is as low as it gets. And if you find like a favorite spot that you like, so let's say you want to face, more towards this side. So I have like a door over here, or not a door, but like an entryway. So if I want to save this as a preset, I can just save this point. And then if I press over here, we could see this is going to be one of the presets. It says preset 0.1. And if I want to have another preset, I could just bring it to where I want. It's right over here in the front, and then save it for preset 2. And then if I want to face up a little bit and move even more, preset 3. And now instead of having to manually move it over here, I could just press any preset I want, and it'll automatically start adjusting. We're also going to have some bars at the bottom. So for starters, there's going to be this message thing, and this is going to be any push notifications that come through. So right now, this was just a call I did earlier to test it out. And then let's check out media. And right here it is under living room. And that's going to be the picture I took. And now go back, And we can also see the video that I took as well too. And there's also going to be a shop button for any other products or services that Zosi has. Now going back to the main page, we're going to have a few buttons at the bottom here. So for starters, this is going to be for cloud storage. We're also going to have this button just to go ahead and save the image. And then there's going to be playback of what happened throughout the day, like some sort of events. And then finally, settings. And so there's going to be a bunch of different settings that can be changed. And one cool thing that I tested out too was going to be the Wi-Fi signal detection. So when I went ahead and checked this upstairs, the Wi-Fi signal was pretty weak, which is why I came down over here. So I'm guessing now the Wi-Fi should be pretty strong. And yep, it says Wi-Fi signal is good. The current location is suitable for installation. And here's the rest of the settings. We have recording mode, and I turned it off, but I can go ahead and turn this on, whether it's a full-time recording or just like a motion recording. So if there's like any activity that goes on, there'll be like a video to show basically what happened. And here's the resolution setting. We have HD mode, which is currently on. I can switch to smooth mode as well too, but I'll leave it for HD mode now. And that's everything for the settings. And so this is what the high definition footage looks like. So hopefully it looks pretty good on your end. And now this is what the standard definition looks like. So hopefully you can go ahead and see a difference. Now going back to the video intercom, here's how it goes ahead and looks like. So I think this is probably one of the coolest settings this has, just because, I mean, it's like you're FaceTiming right on your camera itself. And here's the phone. And as you can see, the video is pretty good. Of course, there's going to be some latency, some lag, but it's not going to be very drastic. It's maybe like half a second, maybe even less. And the cool thing is you can not only, call from the phone, but you can also call directly from the camera itself. And that's going to be with the button at the bottom. So actually, let me go ahead and just press this. And this is going to end the call, as you see. And it does end the call on my end as well too. Now, if I want to call from the camera directly, I can also just press the same button. Now it's calling, and here you can see it's lighting up. And then here's what it goes ahead and looks like on my end. It says living room, someone calls, please answer as soon as possible. And here I can either hang up, answer with audio, or answer with video. And if I want to answer with video, it instantly connects on my phone, but it does take a while to connect on the camera itself. But once it does, of course, looks pretty neat. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Zosi security camera. It was really easy to set up, minus the minor hiccup of my Wi-Fi not being too good upstairs. Over here, it worked perfectly fine. There's very little delays. And also the best part is the video intercom. I've never had a security camera like this where the other person can see you as well too. So this is going to be cool, when you're monitoring your home, or if your pets are alone, during work or anything like that, they can go ahead and see you as well too. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Zosi security camera. Tiger, come. Tigre. Tigre. Tiger. Tiger. Tigre.